up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I am going to be posting videos once a week like I promised you guys, or maybe twice a week, depends. But yeah guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys my oh so favorite mask. Hate to break it to you guys, but I recorded this video and I'm doing it all over again because my dumb butt grabbed the wrong mask. The whole time I put the wrong mask, and I'll show you guys some of the clips on this video. But anyways, the real mask, you guys, everything I said on the other video was true except for the mask that I showed you guys, this one. But anyways, this is what the mask looks like. It's like gray, it's not even black, but it's gray and it's gooey and just perfect, and it smells like Play-Doh. That one wasn't the right mask. It was this one. I thought something was wrong with it. The other mask is really good, but it just never dried out. And I'm like, what is going on here? How come I'm not peeling it? So this is actually the right mask, and it's called Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Duh, maybe I should have read it right instead of actually doing that. And this is what this looks like, the correct mask. Give me just a second because I'm peeling this off. And this is what it looks like. Slimy and black. The other one was gray, and I'm like, there's something wrong with this one. But since it's been a while that I haven't used it, I didn't notice. But I'm going to be using what's here on the lid. And I'm going to be applying it. It's really sticky, you guys. And I'm going to be looking up there because I'm going to be seeing where I'm applying this, okay? So, yeah, I'm looking at the screen right now because I want to make sure I see where I'm putting this on. And I like to make it thick around the nose because I like to grab those stubborn, what are they called? Black dots. JK, they're not called black dots. Blackheads. So I put a thick chunk on there, and then the rest I just put it on normally like I did with the other mask. Hopefully I don't get any on my eyebrows this time, because on the other mask I put it some on my eyebrows and it hurt. Okay, so I'm grabbing all the excess stuff that's from the lid, and once I go to the lid I go to the actual bottle, and look, it's like very slimy, so I'm trying not to get it everywhere. I just want to show you guys exactly how that looks and how it's gonna look when it's dry. That was a epic failure. I feel so embarrassed because I'm all thinking I'm the shiz, and then I sure know about something when I got the wrong one the whole time. When I was talking about this one, I thought something was wrong. I'm like, this one doesn't feel right. The other one covers my whole face and it's just feels much better. Ah, shit, it got some on my hair. So I'm like, there's something wrong here. And it sucks because I put Griffin the wrong mask, and I wanted him to use this one because I wanted to peel it off his face and I wanted to show you guys how it was like. But he's like, nope, babe, I did it for you. If you got the wrong mask, that's not my fault. And I'm like, merp, that sucks. Okay, here goes the hard part because damn it, I have some all over my hand because I'm using the camera as a mirror. So, and there I go, putting some on my brows again. So try to avoid that when you guys are using this, if you do get this mask, because trust me, it will hurt like a mother. So yeah, I will be putting everything else on this video because everything I said was towards this peel off mask. The whole time I was thinking I was using this mask. Little did I know I was using the wrong mask. So sorry guys. Okay, so this is actually how it's gonna look like, and how it's supposed to look like is this. And like I said in the video that I recorded before, the wrong video, I do have a mess in the background because I did move, and I'm currently remodeling my beauty room, and it's gonna look amazing. So here's a sneak peek. It's not done, but you guys get it. Anyways, so this is how it looks like. My face feels so cool right now, like so cool, and it feels great. I try to apply it on with one finger. But yeah, this is one of my favorite masks, you guys. I got it for Christmas. It works great. I leave it on for like 30 minutes or until this is super hard that your face, you can't really move it. Like right now, I can move it. And then when it gets hard, you can't really move it, which makes more sense because with the other one, I'm like, hey, I'm talking perfectly fine. This gets hard, and then you start looking like if there's a bag over your face. So yeah, I definitely recommend this charcoal mask. I'm not sure where they got it. I believe maybe Ross or Burlington. You guys could check that place out, or if not, you could always search it online. I'll have the deets down below. But yeah, let's go ahead and wait 30 more minutes. Lame, at least my face is double the clean, right? But let me go ahead and wait the 30 minutes, and then I'll show you guys how to peel this off instead of washing off. But at least I gave you the instructions on what to do with the other one, right? All right guys, I will be back for more.
A few moments later.
Is this the right mask? Cause this one doesn't peel. The other one peels. Porque it doesn't peel.
¿Cuál es esta?
No, it's the one that I got for Christmas. Remember how it would peel? Did it go bad? Or do we have to wait a little bit more? Okay guys, the mask is now dry, and this is what it looks like. It's a little bit harder. It's a little bit hard to move my face. Have you guys seen Carly Bible? I think we have the same mask. I'm not sure if it's the exact same. Hers looked a little bit harder. Mine is a little bit easier to peel off. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Look. When I like scrunch my face, you can see all that. Don't attempt eating with this. But yeah, let's try to peel it off now carefully.
It's already completely dry, as you guys can tell. I'm looking up there at the screen because I want to see what I'm doing, so bear with me guys. Hi baby! My little girl just walked in.
This feels super amazing. I love how it feels to peel this mask. So look how it looks. I could definitely do some Halloween looks with this. Taking my mask off, you guys. Literally.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
So let me see what I have. I don't know. I know this is really gross, you guys, but dang it, it's not, there's like, I didn't do it very thick, so you can't really see what I took out of my skin. So I can't show you guys. See, there's like nothing. See, I guess you could see a little bit of like the blackheads and stuff. Super gross, I know. But yeah, I did take out some things. I see some hair too. But I guess it did take some things off, so I love it because each time you're like, the heck did I have in my face? And your face, you guys, feels so amazing afterwards. You have no idea. For the stuff that doesn't peel off, like these little tiny bits, this is what the scrub is for. So let's go and wash our face. And this is what it looks like, the mask after. Super gross, I know, you guys. So let's go wash our face. I don't know where my freaking ponytail went, but yeah, I did get some on my hair, as you guys can see. And I don't know where my ponytail is, so I'm just gonna wash whatever is left, the excess stuff, with this. And this is what this looks like. Charcoal. So it just has like that beady stuff that feels like little beads or little rocks or sand inside the lotion. That's how it feels like. So it gives it an extra scrub-a-dub-dub. And I just used a little bit because I don't have that much on my face. So I do this. I wear it, I don't mask often. I do the mask probably like once or twice a month. I don't do it that much. Usually I just moisturize my face. If you guys want to know what I do to moisturize my face and keep my face pretty fresh, then go ahead and like this video and comment down below that you want to see a video how I take care of my skin. Let me just quickly wash this off, you guys. And I like to open up my pores with hot water because hotness opens up your pores, and then at the end, when I'm done washing everything off, I rinse everything off with cold water. That way, you know, my pores will close and they're all cleaned out. So that's what I do. Okay, now that everything's off, I switch it to the cold while I still have the hot water on my face and close up the pores. That's what people say it's good when you go to like the sauna or the steam room and then jump in your pool. It's good because it's cleaning out your pores, sorry, and then once you do that, it closes them while they're all cleaned. And then you go ahead and grab a towel and you pat dry. Alright guys, and there is my bare naked clean face. I'll let you guys go in more depth on how my skin looks like. Yeah, I got a nose irritation there. Yeah, I like taking good care of my face. I don't wear that much makeup. You gotta make sure you clean it. And I do treat my skin. I've never had much problems with my skin because I've always took care of it very well. So yeah, if you guys want to know what I do, sorry, my baby's banging. If you guys want to know what I do, then you already know. You already know. Just make sure you ask and drop it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace. Till next time.